All right, today in the shop we have the big boy Chevy Silverado. This is the 5500. We're having problems with the hood shocks. I'm going to show you some common issues and how to fix them. You can see the size of these hoods. They're pretty big. And over here you see the strut on this side, and they're actually fairly easy to change. You're going to have a nut there, and up here you're going to have a nut there. You want to be careful when you're taking these off because there is, remember, there's two. And if you take them both off at the same time, then the front of this hood is just going to go down on you. There is two bolts in the center of the hood on a hinge, but this will probably drop and it will probably snap the front end, break all this plastic here. So only do one strut at a time. Now these hoods, sometimes when those struts go bad, they're very hard to lift up, and they pretty much unlock over here. I can't lower this hood because we have a strut problem right now. It was hard getting it up, but they basically unlock on each side, one here and one on the driver's side, and you'll be pulling up on it, and the front end does not want to tilt because those struts have seized up. And luckily I was able to get this up without breaking the front end, but this side I had already taken off. You know, that's actually the side that has the red safety clip that holds it up to prevent it from falling on you. And here's the part number right here. And that is this one here. This is the one with the safety on it. Now, that is the part number for the side with the safety latch on it, that red safety latch. I don't know if it's the same part number for the other side, because both sides do not have the latches on it, only the one side does. This side here is now acting up, I guess because the other part was on back order. We were waiting for it so long, so much stress went onto this one. So now this one actually was preventing the hood from coming up. I finally got it up. But before we take this one off, we have to put the one on the other side, or this hood is just going to fall forward and probably break on the ground. It's pretty heavy. It's only held on by, you got these hinges right here. So we're going to go ahead and just put this side on so that we can go ahead and take the other side off. And it's fairly simple. You can see there is a sticker on there that says attach this end to hood. Okay, and that's where your bolt is going to go through there, and on the other side as well. Now it says this side attaches to the hood. All right, we already know that that's going to go up there to that bolt. And then this side down here obviously is going to go right above the tire here and right in, and there's your other bolt. All right, now the problem you'll have is, let's go ahead and slide this one on. All right, so that's on. So what you got to do here is, if you look, you won't be able to extend this far enough to get it on there. So I'll have to set the camera down, but you're going to need to tilt this hood a little forward to bring that bolt to here. So try to tilt it a little bit. Get on there. All right. Now you can see it's on there, and we'll just go ahead and put the nut on this side. Alright. Now you can see how this works. This is in the locked position. So this is actually raised up. So if this were to try to slide down, it wouldn't go directly in this shaft here. You would have to unlock this, and see how it raised that up? That would allow the hood to now go in there and close. So this is your safety feature here, and that's how that works. So when you go in to close the hood, you want to push that up before you close it. Alright? Otherwise, it's not going to close on you. It's going to keep hitting here, and you're going to try to force the hood closed, and you're going to break the hood. So when you go to close the hood, just pop it up like that. After you raise the hood, you can click that down like that. And now that we have that side installed, we can go around to the other side. I do not have the other strut right now. They are on back order. But then you could go around to the other side and take that one off. I just don't recommend taking them both off at the same time. And that's pretty much it. It's actually a very simple job. There's not really a whole lot to it. It's 4 bolts. They're really accessible. You can probably do both sides in a matter of honestly 10 minutes flat if you had both of them and you had the wrench ready. 10-minute job. All right, but that's a common problem with these 5500s, and if you do need to order those struts, I'm telling you, they're very hard to get. We had to wait weeks and weeks to get them, so apparently this is a common problem if they're so hard to get. All right, so please guys, hit subscribe below, give me a like, and I'll see you next time.